here's the remote of the Gitup GIT2 Pro. It's sold separately, and it has one issue, and that is the registration of push buttons, or the lack of it. Because if you push a button, you get a tiny light. That works well, reasonably well in dark environments. It's not very light here, so you can see it, but as soon as you have the sun shining or more light, you can't see any of it. So let's get more light in the room, and you will see that you can't see anything. Maybe the camera will pick it up, but I can't see it. And then there's of course the problem of noise. Well, I know I press the button because I hear a clicking sound, but if I'm flying with my quadcopter or there's other noise close to where I'm operating my Gitup camera, then this becomes hit and miss affair. So I think Gitup really messed up with their remote. They should have put a beeper on the remote instead of blinking lights, which you can't see, only when it's dark. You're better off using your smartphone and forget about this one. And I hope Gitup will produce a better one, because it is more convenient than having a smartphone in your hand and trying to find the right buttons. But as it is, this is just kind of worthless. Okay, it's too bad, because the camera is great in my opinion.